Ever found yourself in the middle of a heated argument with a colleague? You're not alone. But what if there was a simple tool that could turn these conflicts into opportunities for growth? Welcome to the fascinating world of conflict resolution. This isn't about winning or losing, it's about harnessing the power of disagreement to foster understanding, build stronger relationships, and drive innovation. Intriguing, isn't it? Hold tight, because we're about to reveal the most commonly used tool to handle conflicts effectively. Many of us believe that avoiding conflict is the best solution, but guess what? That's a misconception. It's easy to think that if we sidestep disagreements, they'll just disappear. In reality, when we sweep conflicts under the rug, we're only postponing the inevitable. Unresolved issues don't vanish. They simmer beneath the surface, often leading to resentment and even greater problems down the line. Think about it. If we never address the elephant in the room, how can we expect to move forward? It's like driving a car with a flat tire and expecting it to run smoothly. It just doesn't work that way. Not only does avoidance fail to solve the problem, it can also stifle growth and innovation by creating a culture of complacency. So, if avoidance isn't the answer, what is? Let's dive in. Introducing the magic tool, active listening. It sounds simple, but it's a game changer. Imagine you're in the midst of a heated discussion at work, voices are raised, tempers are flaring, but instead of contributing to the noise, you choose to listen. Not just hear, but actively listen. Active listening is more than just being quiet while the other person speaks. It's about understanding, responding, and remembering. Let's break it down. Understanding means you're not just hearing words, you're grasping the meaning behind them. So when your colleague says, "I'm frustrated with this project," you realize it's not about the project per se, but about feeling overwhelmed or underappreciated. Responding. The second component is about acknowledging what the other person is saying and showing empathy. You could say something like, "I can see why you'd feel that way. It sounds like a lot to handle." Lastly, remembering. This isn't about memorizing every word, but remembering the key points and feelings expressed. This shows your colleague that you value their thoughts and emotions. Now let's paint a picture. Suppose your teammate is upset about a deadline change. Instead of dismissing their concerns or jumping to your defense, you actively listen. You understand their stress, respond with empathy, and remember their feelings when making future decisions. When you actively listen, you transform arguments into constructive discussions. But how does this benefit you? Imagine a workplace where conflicts are resolved efficiently and everyone feels heard. Sounds good, right? Now picture this, you are the catalyst for this change, all thanks to one powerful tool, active listening. Active listening does more than just diffuse conflicts. It creates a platform for understanding and empathy. When you actively listen, you're not just waiting for your turn to speak, you're genuinely hearing what the other person is saying, processing it, and responding thoughtfully. This fosters trust and respect, strengthening your professional relationships. Moreover, it promotes an atmosphere of harmony. When everyone feels heard, there's less resentment brewing under the surface, leading to a more productive and pleasant work environment. And here's the best part, active listening isn't just beneficial at work. It's a skill you can apply in every aspect of your life, from your personal relationships to your interactions with the world around you. Active listening can revolutionize your approach to conflicts, but don't just take our word for it. Now it's your turn to put this into practice. Are you ready to transform your workplace conflicts? Imagine the next time you're in a disagreement with a colleague, instead of reacting impulsively, take a moment. Breathe. Choose to listen actively, pay attention to their words, their tone, their body language, understand their perspective. This isn't just about agreeing or disagreeing, it's about acknowledging. It's about creating a space where everyone feels heard. What about the times you've used active listening in the past? Did you notice any changes in the way the conflict unfolded? Each of these experiences, your successes and your missteps, are stepping stones towards becoming better at conflict resolution. And what if you haven't tried this technique yet? Well, there's no time like the present. The next time a conflict arises, seize that opportunity, listen actively, respond empathetically, and watch how the situation transforms. Remember, every conflict is an opportunity for growth. So subscribe, comment your experiences, and check out our other related content to continue your journey towards effective conflict resolution.